So I was sent the Topdure 120 volt, 18-foot self-regulating pre-assembled water pipe heater to review for you. Now this is capable of keeping your pipes freezing and for pipe protection in a pretty easy and emergency sort of way. Energy saving pipe heating cable. It'll keep your water flowing at around negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is easy protection for those vulnerable pipes near the inside of a wall, in a cold storage area. And if you had problems before, this may solve it, and this will certainly prevent problems if you think your pipes are in danger of being exposed to freezing. So with the technology built into the cable, the pipe freeze protection cable can adjust its own power outputs based on the ambient temperature, basically the temperature in the room. So you never overheat or burn. You install it with a straight track along the pipe. You could spiral it or overlap it. Now I demonstrate here a quick and easy way to overlap it. The cable is able to hold a shape. This way you could get away with just wrapping it with your hand in an emergency situation, but it also comes with special tape that you could adhere it to the pipe and have it fit with a close, snug fit for more permanent protection. But what's good about this is that you could take it and move it around or not have it on and easily put it into action when you get those freeze warnings, extra freeze warnings, and you want to protect your pipes, whether it's a valve in the garden, an inlet pipe, a sewer pipe, whatever pipe that's vulnerable to freezing that you could access and wrap around it. This is your ticket to cheap insurance. And this is even great to protect your palm trees for those dips in temperature. So this is a great cheap way to have freeze protection. And if you don't have one of these in your home, then you're exposed to potential trouble. So I recommend this product, and thanks for watching.